I sold my soul to the devil for designer. They say go to hell, but I told them I don't wanna. If you know me well, then you know that I ain't going. Cause I don't wanna die, yeah.